Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Or if you are new here, welcome home. Take a moment, look at your shoulders. Are they high? Are they tight? Drop them. Relax your jaw. Take a deep breath in and let it out. It is January. The world is very loud right now. I open my phone and I see noise. Everyone is shouting, change your life, make more money, run faster, be perfect. Does this make you feel tired? It makes me feel tired. Sometimes the new year does not feel like a fresh start. Sometimes it feels like a heavy weight. You look at the calendar, you see 2026, and you think, oh no, another year has passed, and I am still the same. If you feel this way, please listen to me. You are not alone. Millions of people feel this way today, but they do not say it. They hide it behind a smile. Today, we do not hide. Today, we speak the truth. We are going to have a long, honest conversation. Just you and me. We are not going to run. We are going to walk. Are you ready? Let's walk together. Look at nature outside. Look at the trees. Look at the grass. It is winter. Does the tree try to grow flowers in January? No. Does the bear try to run a marathon in January? No. The bear sleeps. The tree rests. Nature is smart. Nature knows that there is a time for everything. There is a time to run, and there is a time to rest. But humans, we are different. We try to be summer all the time. We want to bloom and grow flowers every day. We push ourselves. I must be productive. I must be busy. Why? Why are we afraid of being quiet? Maybe you feel behind in life. You look at your friends. They are getting married. They are buying houses. They are traveling. You look at yourself. You are in your room. You think, what is wrong with me? Why am I slow? My friend, you are not slow. You are just in your winter season. Winter is not a waste of time. Under the snow, the earth is drinking water. The roots are growing deep. You cannot see it, but important things are happening underground. It is the same with you. Maybe you are sad right now. Maybe you are confused. This is not bad. This is your winter. You are growing roots. You are learning who you are. Do not force the flower to open. If you open a flower with your hands, you break it. You must wait for the sun. Be patient with yourself this year. Your spring is coming, but right now it is okay to rest. Imagine you are hiking up a mountain, but you are carrying a very heavy backpack. It is full of rocks. Every step is hard. You are sweating. Your legs hurt. You look at other people. They are walking easily. They are fast. You think, why is life so hard for me? Let's look inside your backpack. What are you carrying? Here is a big rock. This rock is named regret. You are carrying memories from 2024, from 2025. I made a mistake. I failed at that job. I lost that friend. I wasted time. You carry these rocks every day. You wake up in the morning and you put the backpack on. No wonder you are tired. You cannot walk into the new year if you are carrying the old year on your back. Let's try something. Close your eyes. Imagine that heavy rock, the mistake you made, the thing you feel bad about. Hold it in your hands. It is heavy. It is cold. Now put it down. Leave it on the ground. Walk away. It is scary to let go. We hold on to our pain because it is familiar. We know our pain. Happiness is new. Happiness is scary. But you need to be light. Forgive yourself. You did the best you could. You were younger then. You know more now. Be kind to the person you were last year and be free for the person you are today. Now, let's talk about goals. Everyone has big lists for the new year. I will exercise for 2 hours every day. I will read 50 books. I will learn perfect English. This is dangerous. When we dream too big, we fail. We try for 3 days. Then we get tired. Then we quit. Then we feel like failures. This is the cycle. High hope, hard work, failure, sadness. Let's break the cycle. Forget the big goals. Focus on 1%. Can you be 1% better today? Just a little bit. If you want to read, do not read a book, read 1 page. If you want to exercise, do not run 10 kilometers, walk for 5 minutes. If you want to learn English, do not study grammar for an hour, listen to 1 video, just like this one. 1% seems small. It feels like nothing. But 1% every day changes your life. Think about water. 1 drop of water is weak, but 1,000,000 drops of water can break a stone. Consistency is more important than intensity. Do not be a firework. A firework is bright and loud, but it lasts for 1 second. Be a candle. A candle is small, but it burns for a long time. Be the candle. Let's talk about a difficult feeling: loneliness. In the new year, loneliness can feel very sharp. You see people at parties. You see families together, and you are sitting alone. You feel a hole in your chest. But there is a difference between being lonely and being in solitude. Loneliness is when you feel something is missing. You are waiting for someone to fix you. Solitude is when you are with yourself and you are happy. When you are alone, you are with the most important person in your life. You are with you. Do you like yourself? Do you treat yourself like a friend? Or do you speak badly to yourself? Often we are our own enemies. We say things to ourselves that we would never say to a friend. You are ugly. You are stupid. You are lazy. Why? Imagine a small child is standing in front of you. Would you say those words to the child? No. You would be kind. You would hug them. My friend, you are that child. Inside you, there is a small person asking for love. Do not wait for a partner to love you. Do not wait for friends to validate you. Start today. Cook a good meal for yourself. Clean your room for yourself. Speak gently to yourself. Turn your loneliness into solitude. Enjoy your own company. You are a wonderful person to be with. We are coming to the end of our talk.
You are standing at the beginning of 2026. You are looking at the road ahead. You cannot see the end of the road. It is foggy. It is unknown. This makes us anxious. We want to know the future. We want a map. But life has no map, and that is the beauty of it. If you knew everything that would happen, life would be boring. It would be a movie you have already seen. Trust the unknown. Trust that you are strong enough to handle what comes. You survived 2023. You survived 2024. You survived 2025. You are a survivor. You have a 100% success rate of getting through hard days. So do not worry about December 2026. Just focus on today. Just focus on this hour. Take one step, then take another. The fog will clear as you walk.
Thank you for slowing down with me. I hope you feel a little lighter. I hope your backpack feels a little emptier. Before you go, let's make a promise, not a resolution, a promise. Put your hand on your heart. Repeat after me. You can say it out loud or in your head. I am enough. I am exactly where I need to be. I will be kind to myself this year. I am ready. You are doing great. Do not let the world rush you. Take your time. Go at your own speed. Have a beautiful day and a beautiful year. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.